Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to day 17 of the 21-day cleaning routine challenge. Day 17 is anti-procrastination. If you look at the printable in the daily focus section, you will see Wednesday is anti-procrastination. Now you can switch these daily focuses around to whatever day works best for you. I kind of like Wednesday. It seems like it gets me enthused to do something midweek and helps me finish the rest of the week strong. So this is a great day to get one thing checked off your list that you have been procrastinating on. Now, if you're anything like me, a lot of times the things that end up on that list are short, easy things to do, which is why it makes it so easy to procrastinate on. This is meant to just focus on a small thing. I'm not talking like go and clean your garage or deep clean your bathroom. Even though that may need done and you're procrastinating on it, that's not what today is for. It's for those small things that don't take a lot of time, but just kind of weigh on your mind, or you have on a to-do list and you just don't ever seem to get to it. So for me, I have been procrastinating on making some natural shampoo that I've been wanting to try for months now. I ran out of my really good shampoo, and then I kept putting it off, and so now I'm using my daughter's shampoo, and it's like, make the shampoo already. So that's what I'm going to do today. Hopefully it'll work. Hopefully my hair adjusts to it okay, but we'll see how that goes. But it'll be nice to have it knocked off my list. So find a small task that you can do today, write it down in the anti-procrastination section, and get it done, and give yourself a big check mark for getting that done. I hope these daily focuses are really helping you get those extra things done that aren't necessarily cleaning, but are still important for running a house and keeping things going smoothly and not having everything just going crazy in your mind. Let me know in the comments how it's going for you, and also let me know what you're going to tackle today for anti-procrastination. That took me less than 5 minutes to get that shampoo made. Like I said, it's usually small things that don't take very long, but it's so easy to procrastinate on. Honestly, it took me longer to round up the ingredients than it did to actually make the shampoo. But I'm so glad to have that done. I can't wait to try it. I'll link the recipe in the description box if you're interested at all. Curious, do y'all use natural shampoo, or what's your favorite brand of shampoo? Let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, I share lots of videos on cleaning motivation. If that's something that you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on all my future videos. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you back here for day 18. Bye.